Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my daily subject of Fundamentals-1, Self-and-1, Assignment-5. So today I'm going to discuss about the following three questions. What is a multidimensional array? By default, how are arrays passed through a function? And third is, what is the difference between character array and string? So coming to the first question, what is a multidimensional array? So multidimensional array is an array in which elements is itself an array. So this concept extends the idea of one-dimensional array to higher dimensional arrays. So in other words, we can also say that a multidimensional array is an array of arrays. So there are various types of multidimensional array like 2D arrays. So 2D arrays are nothing but an array in which there are multiple one-dimensional arrays. There are also 3D arrays in which there are multiple two-dimensional arrays, and there are high dimensional arrays which can go to four-dimensional, five-dimensional, etc. So we can take an example of multi-dimensional array like suppose in a tile-based or a grid-based game, we can create a 2D array to represent the game map or the grid. So each element in the array corresponds to a specific location or to the map and contains information about what is present at that particular location of that map. So anything such as like a tile can be present, object can be present, a character can be present, etc. So coming to the second question, how by default how are arrays passed to a function? So when we pass an array to a function, we are actually passing the pointer to the first element of the array. So this is true for both one-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. So array transforms or changes itself into a pointer, and the function receives that pointer as a parameter. So we can also see this by an example. I have created a function of print array, which is taking an array as a parameter and the size. So over here you can see I'm passing the numbers over here, and numbers is an array. So what it is actually doing is passing this first element's address as a pointer over here to this array. So this function receives the address of this particular first element of the array. So I'm also passing the size over here and not calculating the size of array inside this print array function. Now this is because that when this I'm passing this numbers as a pointer and so it's only taking the first element address, and the size of the array is lost. So we have to calculate the size of the array inside the main function, and then we have to pass it as a parameter as well. So coming to the third question, difference between a character array and string. So the main difference between character array and string is that character arrays are a collection of characters stored in contiguous memory locations without any inbuilt functionality to handle strings, while strings are objects that provide various functions for manipulating and working with sequence of characters. So character arrays are simply just raw data, while strings are objects that offer string specific operations and methods. So that's all. Thank you so much.